In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Design for professionals. To get started, open Claude and sign into your account. Once you're in, begin a new project or start a fresh chat so you can keep everything organized from the beginning. Before asking Claude to generate anything, take a moment to clearly define the project's goals, who the audience is, and any business requirements that need to be met. This gives the tool better direction and helps you get more useful results. Next, gather your brand assets, style guides, and any design references you want Claude to follow. You can then upload relevant documents, images, or design briefs directly into the conversation. After that, write a detailed prompt that explains the design objectives as clearly as possible. The more specific you are here, the more professional and aligned the output will be. Once your prompt is ready, ask Claude to generate a professional design strategy for the project. From there, request user personas and target audience insights so the design is grounded in real user needs. Then have Claude generate a sitemap, workflow, or information architecture to shape the structure of the experience. After the structure is in place, ask Claude to create wireframes for the key pages or screens. Review the suggested layout carefully and pay attention to how the user experience flows from one step to the next. If anything needs adjustment, request revisions based on stakeholder requirements. When the structure feels right, move into the visual layer by asking Claude to generate a complete UI design specification. You can define color palettes, typography, and visual styles, then create reusable design components and a broader design system to keep the project consistent. Once the visual direction is established, ask Claude to generate content structure and page copy that fits the design. Be sure to review accessibility and usability recommendations as well, since those details are essential in professional work. Then generate responsive layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile, so the experience works across screen sizes. If you need implementation support, request front-end code such as HTML, CSS, React, or Tailwind CS. Review and optimize any generated code before moving forward. After that, conduct internal reviews with clients or team members, collect feedback, and implement the necessary updates to the design. To wrap everything up, use Claude to create documentation for developers and